If you're trading on your normal exchange and you're not getting any benefit from it, then you should definitely be watching this video because MEXC just dropped this amazing campaign that basically they're giving away $10 million to people simply for them just trading. So let's just go ahead and dive into this and I'll show you exactly what to do to get involved. So this is MEXC, and as you can see here, they're currently doing the Golden Era Showdown, and this is going to be a $10 million prize pool in which, yes, the event is currently running, so if you click the link in the description and sign up, you can get involved with this right here and right now to share a portion of this prize pool. Now, here we can see the event ends in 14 days, so you've got to be quick and get involved soon, and as you can see, yes, there are already 140,000 registered users actually taking part in this. So all we got to do here to get involved is press the link in the description and start registering. So let's actually do that right here, right now. Here is the sign up button, and we can see that yes, it's going to ask for our email and password. Now, of course, use our referral code that will be on the screen right now to help out the channel. But for now, let's type in our email address. Next, we're going to need a password. So let's just get that going. And once we're good to go there, we've just got to simply press sign up and we can actually claim $5 for doing so. Then you're going to want to get the 6-digit code that's sent to your email. So let's do that now. Once we've got the code, we simply paste it in here and we will be registered successfully. Now we can actually access this prize pool. So all we're going to do is press register again, and then we will have registered for this event and can take part in it. Now, what you can do to actually get involved with this prize pool is very, very simple. All you got to do is trade a little bit of volume and you're going to get what's called a scratch off. Now, 50,000 might seem like a lot, but when you're using leverage, you're talking about very, very little amounts here in which, yes, to reach this, it's going to be super easy. So all we're going to do here is press trade now. And it will actually give you a beginner's tutorial if you don't know, but I'll actually show you exactly how to use this exchange very easily. So as we can see here, this is what the trading screen looks like. We can see Bitcoin is dumping right now. So if we wanted to short this, all we can do is actually go to the right-hand side here, select how much we want to short with. We can see the leverage at the top here as well. We can keep this all the way up to 500x. But I would say it's super high risk to do that. We're going to stick with, I would say, 15x here for this short. And then, yes, we're going to see how much we want to trade with. So here we can see how much we would be buying. And at the bottom, we can also see our liquidation price. If I do move myself over, there we can see, yes, liquidation price would be 63,000 on a long and 145,000 on a short. But let's take a short here. All we're going to do is press that open short button. And then boom, we will have entered our position. So if we scroll down now, we can see that we're currently in a position here on Bitcoin USDT for a 15x short. Now, if Bitcoin keeps dumping, then that's great, but we're talking about getting that volume to get involved with this campaign. So as you can see, the position with leverage is actually 126,000 in volume. So getting involved and getting this scratch card is super, super easy when you're considering leverage here. And once you've got your scratch card, you simply press scratch now. Obviously, I don't have any right here, but you would simply press scratch now and you'd be good to go to see if you win any of that prize pool for the day. Now, this day, for example, they've given away 81,000 with 5,000 left to claim. And if we click prize info here, we can see all of the different prizes you could get. So you could get a $2,000 prize where one of those they're giving away. And if we scroll down here, this goes all the way down to $1. And obviously they're going to be giving away a lot more of those. But this is a great way to basically just trade and get rewards for doing so. And it's super easy to get those scratch cards. As you can see here, 50,000 will get you 1, 100,000 will get you 2, and 250,000 will actually get you 5 scratch cards. So your chances are pretty good to earn a little bit of passive income or scratching to earn potentially the big prizes from this. And they're doing this every single day, so do not miss out on this because it's super easy to get involved. If you're on other exchanges and not earning from your trades, I mean, this is a way better alternative. Now, they're also giving away Bitcoin bonuses, luxuries, and a full gold bar that is real and worth $350,000. And that will be drawn when the campaign ends by looking at blockchain.com and basically just finding one of the hashes for a certain time period. So that'll be fantastic. If you do want a chance of winning that, definitely get involved, use the link in the description, and of course, start trading on the MEXC exchange. Personally, for me, guys, this is my favorite exchange out there simply because super easy to use. We've seen it here right now. Very, very easy to get involved with this. We've got statistics at the top. We can change our asset if we want. We can change our leverage, and everything is super intuitive across the board. So that is the MEXC exchange. Definitely check it out in the description. And of course, get involved with this current campaign. These guys do campaigns like this all of the time. It's great to be trading on MEXC because they're always rewarding their users. But that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.